Welcome to our channel Dreamers 360. Today we are going to see 6th New Geography Term 3 Unit 1 Asia and Europe. In this lesson we are going to see the book back questions answer. First, choose the best answer. First one, which is not the western margin of Asia? Answer option D, Arabian Sea. Second, the intermontane dash plateau is found between Elborus and Zagros. Option B, Iran. Next, third one, the equatorial climate uniform throughout the year. Correct. The average mean rainfall is 200 mm. Actually, the average and mean rainfall is 1270 mm. Third, the average temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Actually, the average temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Therefore, here statement 1 alone is correct. Therefore, option A is correct. Next, fourth one. Match list 1 correctly with list 2 and select your answer from the quotes given below. List 1 and list 2. List 1, A. Malaysia, rubber. Thailand, tea. Korea, cherry. And Israel, figs. Therefore, the answer for the fourth one is option A, 2341. Next, fifth one. India is the leading producer of option B, mica. Sixth, the natural boundary between Spain and France is option B, the Pyrenees. Seventh, the western and northwestern Europe enjoys mild and humid climate because answer option B. It is influenced by the North Atlantic drift. Eighth, which of the following statement is incorrect? Here, Europe produce electricity from hydropower. Correct. All rivers of Europe originates in the Alps. Correct. Most of the rivers in Europe are used for inland navigation. Correct. The river of Europe are perennial in nature. Actually, it is wrong. Therefore, the answer for the eighth one is option D. Next, ninth one. Choose the incorrect pair. Here, option C, the Pennines is in England, not Italy. Therefore, it is a incorrect pair. Next, 10th one. Which country in Europe has a very low density of population? Answer option A, Iceland. Second, fill in the blanks. First, the Taurus and Pontine range radiate from the dash knot. Answer Armenian knot. Next, the wettest place in the world is Mao Syndrome. Third, Iran is the largest producer of dash in the world. Answer dates. Fourth, Europe connected with South and Southeast Asia by dash sea route. Shoes sea route. Fifth, the national dance of Philippines is answer Tini Kling. Tini Kling. Next, sixth one. The second highest peak in Europe is the Mount Blanc. Is the second highest peak in Europe. Seventh, the type of climate that prevails in the central and eastern part of Europe is answer continental type. Eighth, the important fishing ground in North Sea is answer Dogger Bank. Ninth one, the density of population in Europe is answer 34 per kilometer square. 10th, the river dash passes through 9 countries of Europe. Answer Danube. River passes through 9 countries of Europe. Third, match the following. First, Mesopotamian plain. Answer Euphrates and Tigris. Second, Mao Syndrome, highest rainfall. Rice Bowl of Southeast Asia, Thailand. Fjord Coast, Norway. Bullfighting, Spain. Next, assertion and reason. Assertion. Italy has dry summers and rainy winters. Correct. Reason. It is located in the Mediterranean region. Correct. Therefore, option A, both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation for A. Second, places marked as 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the given map are noted for the following plains. Here first is Manchurian plain. Next, second, Indo-Gangetic plain. Number 2 is Indo-Gangetic plain. 3, Mesopotamian plain. And 4, Great China plain. Therefore, answer B, 2134. Unit 2, globe. Here also we are going to see the book back question answers. First, fill in the blanks. First one, the line of latitude which is known as the Great Circle is answer equator. Second, the imaginary lines drawn horizontally on Earth from the west to east are called? Answer: latitude or parallels. The 90-degree lines of latitude on the Earth are called? Answer: north and south pole. The prime meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian. Fifth, the world is divided into dash time zone, 24 time zones. Second, choose the best answer. First, the shape of the earth is? Answer: option C, geoid. Second one, the north pole is 90-degree north latitude, option A. Third, the area found between 0-degree and 180-degree east lines of longitude is called? Answer: option D, eastern hemisphere. Fourth, the 23.5-degree north line of latitude is called? Answer: option B, Tropic of Cancer. Fifth, the 180-degree line of longitude is? Answer: option B, International Dateline. Next, the sun is found overhead the Greenwich meridian at? Option B, 12 noon. Seventh one, the day has dash minutes. Answer: option C, 1440 minutes. Next, eighth, which of the following lines of longitude is considered for the Indian Standard Time? Answer: 82.5 degree east, option A. 9. The total number of lines of latitude are? Option C, 181. 10th. The total number of lines of longitude are? Answer: option C, 360. Next, circle the odd one. First, North Pole, South Pole, Equator, International Dateline. Here difference is International Dateline. Next, second, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Prime Meridian. Here the odd one is prime meridian. Next, third one, torrid zone, time zone, temperature, temperate zone, frigid zone. Answer: odd one is time zone. Next, fourth, Royal Astronomical Observatory, prime meridian, Greenwich meridian, International Dateline. Here the odd one is, it is a laboratory, Royal Astronomical Laboratory. Fifth, 10-degree north, 20-degree south, 30-degree north and 40-degree west. Here odd one is 40-degree west. Fourth, match the following. First, 0-degree line of latitude. Answer: equator. Second, 0-degree line of longitude, Greenwich meridian. 180-degree line of longitude, International Dateline. And 90-degree line of latitude is the pole. Next, fifth, the earth is spherical in shape. Correct. The shape of the earth is called a geoid. Correct. The earth is flat. No. Therefore, the answer for the statement is 1 and 2 are correct. Next, another statement. Statement 1. The lines of latitude on earth are used to find the location of place and define the heat zones on earth. Correct. Statement 2. The lines of longitude on earth are used to find the location of a place and to calculate the time. Correct. Therefore, option C, both the statements are correct. Unit 3, Understanding Disaster. In this unit, we don't have any book bag questions. If this video is useful to you, like this video, share it with your friends, do subscribe and click bell icon to get instant updates.